this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. This time I have another unboxing with another camera. This is Tapo from TP-Link, but this time we have another model. We have C210. I have many videos of these cameras. 2K resolution, 2 packs, so I have 2 cameras similar. A perfect pack, motion detection and tracking, person detection, baby crying detection, night vision up to 30 feet. That is lovely. You can mount on the wall this side, back side, more things. So nothing fancy, more other things. So without any further ado, let me unpack this one. Okay, so nothing else inside the box. So let me show you now what we have. We have a cushion, we'll leave one side. Then we have some paperwork here. We have a paper. This is lovely 2 cameras, so if you want to mount on the wall, on the roof, you can mount very easily. You put as a sticker, then you can drill and make hole very easily. These ones, very handy. More quick start guide, you can see. More paper work. Here we go. Okay, 2 camera, 2 charger we have here. Let me take this off. Normally the cable of this, they provide you a very big cable. Let me open this one. Very long cable, always they come with huge cable. And at the middle, this one, these are for if you want to mount on the wall or roof, you have to use these ones. After that, we have some stands. These are for mounting tool. You have to put in the wall. The camera will slide here, something as this, 2 for 2 cameras. After that, another adapter. The next thing is the camera itself. I take this off from here. Let me see, let me take off. Wow, lovely looking camera, guys. It's rotate from this joint here. You can see the rotation would be here. And here you can see the camera. Very high quality. I feel some weight. Here you have some speaker behind the pointer of jack power source. And this should be as this here. If you want to mount somewhere, at the same time you have rubbery grip here. If you leave some places, it can work the same way. Great looking, beautiful camera, guys. And another is the same, another pack of camera here. So let me take this off as well, this one. So the same thing, guys. You can see here speaker TP-Link is written. The more information, code and other information here, guys. So this is unboxing of TP-Link C210 security camera for your home. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.